Hey, see, they gonna let you out in lane. Look him up. Look at race. Hey, you got me, motherfucker. Hey, see, they gonna let you out in lane. What you got, Tyrone? Hey man, go ahead and knock his ass out, man.
I'm gonna get him. You already know it.
Come on, baby, I believe in you.
I don't think he got it.
What?
They both on top.
This thing goes A to B. Yeah. It's a pretty bad motherfucker, I ain't gonna lie.
We're waiting for this race all night. All night.
Ask them what light we running. Hey, what light? Regular tree, right? Okay, okay. Nice ass race. Right in about the middle of the track, you saw the truck starting to slide a little bit, lost a little bit of traction. That was a good race though.
Hey man. Whoa!
Look him up. Look at race. Oh, you too.
Look at racing, man.
Look at race. Oh, you too.
Look at.
Hello.
You on that Instagram shit, shine that shit, nigga. Cameras get on me, hey. Shame on you when I come out. You'll see. Hey.
Right?
Yeah.
You gonna make it 2,000?
Yeah, we can go and get through. Shit.
There go a spot right there. Hey, I want the right line. All right.
Yeah, but we need to go and go, man. I got to go to work in the morning. Ain't no need us being the last race of the night.
I'm ready.
That's what I'm saying. We need to come on.
Don't get your lane,
Yeah, and you come on, Keith, and pull through here.
But shit, if they gonna let us go, then they go.
They gonna let us go. Come on, Quinn. Shit. No need us waiting on them like that, man. Let's get this shit in. Shit. No, man, we not gonna wait on this all night.
Man, we ready right now.
Shit, well, you don't seem like it. He ain't even here yet. Come on, Quinn, you pull in behind them, though. Shit, ain't no needing us waiting till the last goddamn race of the night. Shit. The fuck, man?
Hey man, what I tell you, motherfucker, what I tell you gonna happen to him. I know, I wouldn't even. Hey man, hey, Keezy ran out his goddamn life. Yeah, Keezy goes. He did what he was supposed to do. Hey, look out, ran out his motherfucking life, nigga. Hey, you got hit in your ass. Hey, get on camera. Boom, nigga, hit in your ass. Hey, hit in your ass.
I think you playing. I think you fucked me up, man.
Hey, everybody, bro. You was on 42, man. And he beat you, but this dude on here talking shit like he really did.
I just so we don't hear how they do. Crash and burn on the shade room. Screen runner, gotta stop. I'm in your seat of the
It's just all along. You've been holding this goddamn 6 months.
Hey, watch this. You can put your slicks on and we'll do it again. We will again. I know it.
I'll do that. I'm gonna try it next week.
Yeah, next week. Matter of fact, ramen in the jungle. Hey, look.
We about to do a rumble in the jungle.
6 to 6 quick car. Ramen in the jungle.
Okay. If he come, we'll do it. If not, fuck it. I got y'all to give him the hit tonight.
You got me, motherfucker.
I didn't steal nothing.